Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to check the distance between two places in Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to check the distance between two places in Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, first you'll be required to zoom out on the Google Maps and tap on the place where you want to check the distance between you and that place. To do that, guys, let's tap and hold on a place over here, and when that red pin appears, guys, this kind of interface will appear, and on this interface you can see there is the measure distance option available for us. Now in order to check the distance, let's tap on the measure distance, and this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to swipe this like this, and the first point is the point from where you want to check the distance, and the second point, or the circle, dark circle, is the point where you will be placing your second location of the place which you want to check the distance. So you can see, guys, I had checked the distance between the two places from my home to this place, and it's currently 277 meters. And let's close this and let's check the distance between two places on the Google Maps on a different location. To do that, apply the same trick, tap and hold on the place from where you want to check the distance, and when this interface appears, guys, you can see the measure distance option available for us. This will be the first place, and again this kind of interface will be shown to us, and again you can just see, guys, you can check the distance between two places like this. This is the point A, and for the point B there is the dark circle. You can also add a point if you want to, like this, and again continue to your point where you will be able to check your distance like this. And you can see, guys, the current distance, it's showing 500 meters. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to check distance between two places in Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.